here's how you can integrate OneDrive onto your iPad. So let me guide you through it all. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. So at first, if you want to start using it, it's best to download it as a separate app from the App Store. So you would go to the App Store and then download the Microsoft OneDrive. It's an app available right there, and you can make sure that it just downloads and, works as a separate app on the iPad. You can inside, you of course log in with your Microsoft account, and you can use it to access your cloud storage through this app. And a lot of people are happy with that, but we can integrate it even more, because what we can do is to make it part of the Apple Files app. That is the Apple's built-in file browser, where in the left sidebar we have the dedicated locations menu. And as you can tell, in my case, I have so many different places like the iPad local storage, iCloud Drive, Google Drive, and more. And OneDrive from Microsoft can also be part of this. All you have to do is, as I said, have the app installed on the device and be signed in with the account so you can access your files. And if you do, it should automatically appear right here, so you can tap on it and turn it on. But if you do not see it for any reason, tap on the three dots at the top and click on Edit Sidebar. And it's possible that the OneDrive is there, but it's simply not turned on. So you want to make sure the toggle is green right there. You have to enable it as such, and then it's going to be part of the Apple Files app. So you can see that we can even organize it and move it upwards. And yeah, that way you can make sure that it is always accessible and integrated well into the Apple's built-in Files app. So I hope it makes sense, and I most definitely hope that you are able to do it for yourself on your device too. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.